Yo, what's going on, guys? This is me again, MasterKairobot, for another episode of Devlog. So, yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys, and leave a like down below so you never miss out any videos and some stupid ways to make your own bots. So, for this episode, guys, we will try to make our own. It's pre-built. It's built on my own bot. The kick commands. So, kick command is easy. Yeah, it's only just do that. Blah blah blah. But when using banned or kicked, oh, I did it wrong. It's supposed to be a kick one. Kick completed. There. So once you do that, make sure to create a new one. Then type whatever you want to name to your command. I'll just try to make it test because if we're making a videos. And this one, the user required permission. This one will will be useful if you want your own. If you wanted the command is only readable or usable by the one who's either administrator, create invites, blah blah blah. So for this case, we will making a kick, so we will try to make it administrator. If we use none, it's probably make it a little bit so much OP and will kick everyone. So first things first, if you want to go to start, you can type in blah blah blah. But we're going to the simple one, so we're gonna go to the member control, then go to the kick member. So here you will need to use the mention user. It's a lot of here. You can place around whatever you want, blah blah blah. So do not use the command order because command order will immediately kick yourself. So use the mention user, then don't type any reason whatsoever here because it's for stuff. It's if the one who will kick will give you a reason why you've been kicked. Now if you create a bot, there it will immediately kick it out there. So that's the easy part, and you could just use a kick completed, blah blah blah, kick completed or whatsoever, blah blah blah. You could do that. Then yeah, it will immediately work. But do remindful that server only is working. It's only working on server onlys. It's because if you click at the DM only, the DM will it's just you and the bot, which makes it nonsense and it won't work. So only use the server only. And make sure if you guys a lot of comments saying what should I do, why it's not working, it's probably because you are using command sensitive. When you're using command sensitive buddy, you know, this one, if you click, if the command has a higher case, if this command sensitive is yes, it's probably you're supposed to use it as what the command's name is. For example, if this one is help for caps lock, and if it's on, you should probably use the higher caps lock H. While in the other hand, if you're using no or click no, it won't work. It will work even though it's caps lock. Yeah, it's all about restriction. And also, make sure to put an encryption password because a lot of hackers are a lot now. So yeah, it will hack your bot and probably made a lot of things on your bot without knowing that it's been hacked. And also, if you want to add a owner or a second owner for your bot, make sure to put it here. You know, it's in our Discord server. It's here. So if you click the copy, click, then do some whatever stuff you want, blah blah blah. You can click, see, copied. Then go to here, immediately copy paste there. That was the ID. And we have event, which is we will talk about in the next episode. And also, yeah, that's all. You could also use the help commands, which is only just sending an embed and also creating an embed description. And we have a randomize, which I will make I will make a video soon here, and also a lot of them. So now we're done with kick. Let's try setting up ban, shall we? So ban is also easy. Let's just create test 2 because we're making videos today. Test 2. And also don't forget that it's supposed to be an administrator, or if you click none, it will be OP and kick everyone. In the other hand, kicks will only kick the member, and you can join at the invites. You can still join. In the other hand, if ban means that you can never join again unless the administrator gives you permission back again to the server. So please make sure to put it administrator. Yeah. Also guys, we're open on our Discord server and also our Roblox group. It's, you know the drill, guys. Discord, the description is down below, also the links down below, blah blah blah. So go here to the member control and click on ban members, and also back to the mention user. Make sure to click mention user and do not type inside of the reason, because the reason is for you know, people in it. Once you create the action, make sure to add a message that knowing the people that it's banned now, like there. Then you can type here ban completed, blah blah blah. Also add some stuff there. Okay, then don't forget to click the save, which makes the bot offline for a while. Also, if you know, guys, there's an option here that you can auto restart the bot and save. You can click that for immediately bots online, made it online. And also, yeah, there's a Discord server for this group, for the Discord bot maker. Make sure to join them out, and also, yeah, gives them some suggestion. So we're going here. Then we will type let's see, who we're gonna kick. Let's try kick InfoChan for a while. So just do this. Kick. Oh, I forgot. Kick. Then InfoChan. Then do that. Once it's do that, yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. It won't. Oh, also, guys, I forgot to mention that it won't work on no bots. Yeah, I forgot. It's because you, sir, or you are not an make sure to use the authorization, blah blah blah. I hate that part that it's always saying missing permissions, which is only available on the thing. I forgot to mention you guys that it's only it's on the server settings, blah blah blah. Yeah, make sure to in the role and add to yourself as an administrator before using that commands. You know. There it is. I'm oh shit. There, so we gotta do something there, blah blah blah. Then you could use it on we'll just try to use it on test area, because I don't want to mess with the codes right now. So we just type kicked here info chan, blah blah blah. There you go, guys. He's now missing, I think. Yeah, he's now missing because this info chan is now offline. It won't work. It's just a base prank. So yeah, guys, make sure to if you guys have any coding problem, it's probably because we have a kick and also a kick one. You know, the 2-1 cannot be used in. You cannot use two commands. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, I'll probably clear this thing out. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and